Hello, I'm Dr. Kimberly, doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine and owner of Holistic Healthcare Centers in Lisle, Illinois. Today I would like to talk with you about some products that help reduce stress and anxiety. This week we've talked about exercises in our previous video that you can do to help reduce stress and anxiety, different breathing techniques and arm movements. Now I'd like to talk about some products over here that are useful. So one of my most favorite products is Spirit Soothe, Wendan Pian in Chinese medicine. And it is such an amazing product. It actually, in studies, is comparable to things like Zoloft in terms of the effect and the relaxation that it brings. These studies were with animals versus people, so it's not into clinical trials at this point. But this product helps create a sense of calm. What's really nice about it is a fast-acting product. So many times with herbal remedies, it can take a couple weeks before you see an effect. With Spirit Soothe, you can see the effect right away. So usually within a couple days, you can start to feel a reduction in those anxious feelings. It's made primarily of food. So it includes tangerine and many different forms of tangerine, ginger, dates, licorice, bamboo, which I guess is not a food, but bamboo fuling, which is kind of like a potato, as well as peony, and I think that's about everything. Let me just double check myself. Yep, I think I said licorice. So this is a product that is safe for children and adults, depending on if it's any high risk aspects of your pregnancy. Pregnant women can take it, but you have to consult your physician to make sure that that's okay, or your doctor of acupuncture. Anytime you want to take a product, you should definitely first get medical advice first. Make sure that you talk to somebody like me who's a licensed acupuncturist or somebody else who is well trained in herbs. So Sleep Peace is another great product. Sleep Peace is an herbal remedy that helps to kind of, we call it, nourish the spirit. So in Chinese medicine, your spirit lives in your heart, and when it can't at night, and when it can't rest, when there's not enough blood and relaxation from a theory standpoint, it can't sleep at night, and so you have disrupted sleep. This product uses natural foods, Swanzao Ren, which is like jujube, and other things that are very gentle on the system. There's no actual sedatives in it. It's all food, which again, food, roots, and berries basically, which again is a very natural way to help your body get back into a healthy circadian rhythm. Neurosuit is very popular, especially these days. Neurosuit is for that person who feels like, oh my gosh, all this stress is bundling in their chest. They feel like they're just gonna pop. Neurosuit also is when your stress is aggravating your stomach and your digestive tract. And so this product helps especially the liver and spleen meridians. So it helps free course that energy. When you have what's called liver qi stagnation, it's like being on a highway on a hot sunny day where you're not moving and maybe your air conditioning broke. You just get all of this stagnation, all this energy stuck. And then it goes and starts to invade your spleen stomach channel. That's your digestive tract. And you might start to get a stomach ache, gas, bloat. So it kind of binds in your chest and in your stomach. We call that your middle and your upper jiao in Chinese medicine. So this product is a product that really helps free course, soothe that liver qi, and calm the digestive tract. So those are just three of my most favorite Chinese herbal remedies. I'm primarily focusing on the trade name for it. But there are other products that I think are really good, and I think it's all the rage right now, is CBD oil. CBD oil, to this point, we don't know of any negative side effects except for possible contraindication due to certain medications. So you definitely want to talk to a healthcare professional before adding CBD oil into your daily regime. But if it's not contraindicated with any of your medications, then taking CBD oil can be amazing for reducing the feelings of stress. It can help increase sleep at night. 10 milligrams might be all that somebody needs. Sometimes they need a lot more, but it tends to help people sleep more soundly at night It reduces that anxious feeling, those ruminating thoughts. So that's one product that a lot of our patients take. And because I am a medical care provider, I'm able to make sure that it's not contraindicated in any of their pharmaceuticals they may be taking. Lastly, omega-3. So omega-3 is known to be great for your cardiovascular health and your skin, but it helps reduce that internal inflammation. It can actually help reduce anxiety to an extent. So a lot of times you want to partner it with something you're already taking, but omega-3 can be very powerful with helping kind of reduce anxious feelings and ruminating thoughts. So those are some of my favorite products for reducing anxiety. Partnered very well, of course, with acupuncture or talk therapy, energy therapy, chiropractic care. There's a lot of ways to help reduce the feelings of anxiety in your day-to-day life, because self-care is essential. If you can't care for yourself, you're not going to be able to care for others.